Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. In this video, we are going to see what is Webhook. So you might have been seen Webhook mentioned in your app setting, and sometime you wonder okay, how can I use, or is this possible to use this one? So I will start with a simple example. So suppose you are going with your friend, and after that you told to your friend okay, now you can go alone, but once you reach your home, please text me or call me. After that, what will happen? Your friend will go alone, and after some time she will reach her home, and after that she will call you or she will text you, and in meanwhile you will get an alert message or maybe you'll get call. So here, if you notice, the boy told to girl whenever you reach the home, please inform me. So that is called a event. So this event will be triggered when the girl will be reach her home. So generally it is a kind of webhook. Here we have given the command whenever you reach, please inform me, trigger. So here the boy is a kind of an application, like your application, and the girl is reaching her home, right? So girl is just thought she is a third party, and whenever she will reach her home, she is triggering an event. What event? The boy already mentioned, you reach your home, please send me the response. The girl is sending response to where? The boy's number. So here the boy number is the URL or address that must be unique. So anytime if any event will be triggered, that response have to be sent somewhere. So in that scenario, she is sending that response to number. So let's move with one more example. Suppose you are having a PayPal account. In that PayPal account, someone is transferring the amount, or your friends are transferring, but you need some response to your phone. So what you can do, you have to just go to their application and you can create some kind of event whenever I will receive the payment as successful, I need that response or the message alert to my phone. So this is a kind of webhook. Here you have done setting to that application okay, if the payment will be success, I need message to my number. So your number is currently unique address. So what will be flow? So flow, just imagine you are having an application, okay? In that application, user can send mail, okay? In that application you have integrated with third-party API. So in that third-party API, what you have done a setting whenever any user will send any kind of mail, that whole response either success or fail, you need to be sent to your API. So my API your app.com/receive. So whenever any user will send the email, I need that whole response to my API. Okay, so that might be get or post, whatever you want to do. So definitely if you are going to trigger some kind of webhook for the whole response, you need to create a post message. So if you take the example of Twilio, so what will happen to the Twilio? Twilio will provide a number to you, right? And after that, any customer will send message to that number. After that, what will happen? In Twilio, you have done a webhook setting if I get any kind of message, I need whole message or payload to send to my app. So here, if you notice the red color, right? So if you got any kind of message from the user, it will send to your application. It is a kind of request for your API. After that, you can do some kind of operation. When your operation has been done, you are going to send response back to Twilio, and Twilio will send back to the user. So here one webhook is generated. Whenever customer will send any message to that number, what will happen? Twilio will send that response to your app. So this whole scenario is creating one event and that event is triggering. So generally we can say like webhooks are like one way that app can send automated message or information to any other application. So if you take the example of PayPal, so suppose you are having a accounting software and you need like, okay, whenever I will get any kind of money, I need whole response to my application. Similarly like in Twilio. So generally we can transfer our information in two ways. First way is like polling and another way is like webhook. So mainly like simple common difference I'm going to say, like polling is like you need sugar, but you are knocking everyone door like, do you have sugar, do you have sugar? In webhook what will happen, webhook are like someone tossing a bag of sugar at your house whenever they buy something. Means whenever something will be happen, okay, it will trigger something. So webhooks are automated message sent from apps when something will be happen. Maybe that contain a message or payload that must have to be sent to the unique URL. So in last example, your unique URL or phone number we can say like. So I hope you understand.